I have this Amulet of Slowfall, a rare and powerful relic. I'll sell it for 200 gold.
Rare and powerful relic, huh? Hate to break it to you, but my niece makes these for fun. Best I can offer is 5 gold.
$5 gold sounds perfect.
Guards, arrest this criminal.
It's all over, lawbreaker. No gold to pay your fine. You'll do time in the city dungeon for that. What say you? Then pay with your blood. It's all over, lawbreaker. It's all over, lawbreaker. It's all over, lawbreaker. Ha! Criminal scum.
Chris of the Dead.